In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the ribbon in Excel. The ribbon is the toolbar across the top of Excel that holds your tabs and commands. Things like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and all the buttons you use to format, analyze, and manage your data. Sometimes you want more space to see your worksheet, especially on a smaller screen, or when you're comparing columns. Other times, you want all your tools right in front of you. Let's walk through how to quickly hide and show the ribbon so you can work the way you prefer. Start by looking to the top right corner of the Excel window. You'll see a small arrow pointing upward or downward, often labeled as Ribbon Display Options when you hover over it. Click that arrow. This opens a short menu that controls how the ribbon appears. Choose Show Tabs Only. This option collapses the command buttons and leaves just the tab names visible, like Home, Insert, and Page Layout. You'll immediately notice your grid expands, giving you more rows and columns on screen. This is great when you're reviewing data, entering values, or working on a compact display. If you ever wonder whether you're in this mode, look for the slim row with only the tab names at the top, no big command groups underneath. When you need the full set of commands, simply click any tab name, such as Home or Data. The ribbon drops down and becomes fully visible while you're working on that tab. You can click formatting buttons, filters, or formulas as usual. Once you click back into your worksheet, the ribbon will collapse again automatically, returning you to the Show Tabs Only view. Think of this as a temporary show. It appears when you need it, then steps out of the way to keep your workspace clear. If you decide you want the ribbon to stay visible all the time, go back to that same arrow in the top right corner. Click it again to open the menu, and choose Always Show Ribbon. This pins the ribbon open so every tab and command group remains on screen, which is helpful when you're doing lots of formatting or switching tools frequently. If you don't immediately see the arrow, try maximizing your Excel window, or hover near the top right to reveal it. The exact icon can vary slightly by version, but it's in that same area and works the same way. That's all there is to it. Simple, quick, and tailored to how you like to work.